Kansas City's weather leader. This is Chief Meteorologist Gary Lezak.
Good evening, everyone. Here's your updated forecast. It's not going to turn cold tonight. 51 low temperature. Suddenly, that feels pretty good. Low clouds, areas of fog, and a chance of some drizzle in the morning when the kids are heading on out to the school bus stop. 59 or 60 degrees tomorrow, mostly cloudy. A cold front will be moving through. North and northeast winds 5 to 15 miles per hour. If there's any sun at all, it'll jump into the 60s briefly. 7-day forecast. 52 Friday, slight chances of rain or some drizzle Thursday, Friday into Saturday. Sunday, right after the time changes, 70 degrees. And then 49 degrees on Monday, 47 Tuesday, 46 degrees on Wednesday. Kansas City snowfall the last few years, as you can see, we definitely have had very little the last couple of years. Pretty incredible. So when are we going to have our first inch of snow? That's what you're trying to forecast in our contest. A $6,000 diamond ring from Jocelyn's Jewelers for the winner. kshb.com/contest. Have a good night, and don't forget, it is fall back this weekend, Saturday night. Have a good day.